We learned that there are two types of photoreceptors, rod cells and cone cells. Depending on which type is activated, we have a different vision adaptation. In this video lecture, we are going to learn how the operating state of the visual system occurs differently. If it is darker than 10 to the minus 6, our vision system is not activated at all. The rod cells begin active when it becomes brighter than this. We name this state as scotopic vision. The corresponding representative illumination is under the starlight. Regarding the brightest threshold of the scotopic vision, some researchers insist 10 to the power of minus 2. But I think we can admit both minus 2 and minus 3. In scotopic vision, because rod cells only discriminate the brightness, we see things in achromatic color. Everything appears in gray. When it becomes more brighter, like the moonless clear night sky, the rod cells remain activated. In addition, the cone cells begin activated as well. Therefore, in mesopic vision state, both photoreceptors types are activated. The mesopic vision reaches to 1 candela over square meter, like the situation under a clear sky just after sunset. One interesting phenomenon in mesopic vision is that we have a color bias toward short wavelength. Have you ever been awakened at dawn before the sunrise? Typically, things appear more bluish than they do during the daytime. The secret is the fact that the rod and cone cells have different sensitivity. Within the mesopic vision, we have both of them being activated. In terms of the luminosity response, the peak of rod cells is close to the short wavelength. Therefore, rod cells are more sensitive to blue. The shift of luminosity curve results a special effect, also known as Purkinje shift. The Purkinje shift is the tendency for the peak luminance sensitivity of the human eye to shift toward the blue end of a color spectrum at low illumination level. The flower in the center is the simulated result how we see this red flower in mesopic vision. Compared with the image on the right, viewed in photopic vision, this appears more bluish because the reflectance in short wavelength is intensively perceived in mesopic vision. Lastly, but more dominantly in viewing the color of object, we adapt to the photopic vision. In photopic vision, the rod cells are no more activated. In other words, they are saturated. If the brightness exceeds 10 to the power of 7 candela over square meter, it is reported that the human eye gets damage. Other than that, all theories and applications of color basically assume that the observer is in photopic vision.